This is Wes, aka the Grillin Villian from Summerset Grills, and it's Food Friday. On this Food Friday, we're going to have marinated chicken legs. Some people call them drumsticks. We're going to cook them up today. We're going to make our own marinade, and it's a great day to grill, and we hope you get out and grill with your family too. We're going to start by making our special marinade today, and we're going to use the following ingredients: soy sauce, balsamic dressing, fresh garlic, olive oil, lemon juice, onion salt and regular salt, and our hot sauce we're going to be using Cholula. Throw that in there, and then we're going to throw in some orange juice on top. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to mix that up. And as usual, we'll be cooking on the American Muscle Grill 36-inch. I've gone ahead and thrown my lump coal in there. Let's go ahead and crank this baby on. Got 110,000 BTUs. We'll let that run for about 3 or 4 minutes. I'll shut it off, and then all our solid fuels will be combusted. Okay, at this point, we're going to go ahead and we're going to put our chicken in a large bag, and we're going to mix it with our marinade. We're going to grab into our drawer here in the West cart. Grab a 2-gallon bag here. I've tried it in a smaller one. It gets a little messy. We'll go ahead and put our chicken legs in here. I'm going to set that like such. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to put our marinade over the chicken. Go ahead and take some of the air out of it. And we are going to go ahead and we're going to mix this up. Get this marinade all over our chicken legs, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. Go ahead and dump my marinated chicken legs on the American Muscle Grill. Woohoo! I've had the chicken on the American Muscle Grill for probably about 25-30 minutes, rotating the chicken, keep it evenly charred. I'm going to grab them off the grill right now. Oh, does that smell good? This is the favorite part of Food Friday. This is where I get to taste this beautifully cooked, grilled chicken with that nice marinade rub on it. I'm going to take a bite here right now. Oh man, you can taste the char onto the chicken. You can taste the flavor, the spices. Everything in here is just really, really nice tasting. I think your friends and family are going to enjoy it. I'm going to have another bite. I'm going to have another drink of beer too. Okay, we're through. We're done. We'll see you next week on Food Friday.